I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'm going to help you connect your UE Wonderboom 2 Bluetooth speaker to your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. The Wonderboom 2 is a durable and lightweight Bluetooth speaker that delivers good sound for its smaller frame. Let's walk through the steps to pair your Wonderboom 2 speaker to your iPhone, iPad, or Android device so you can start enjoying your Bluetooth speaker. Step 1. Navigate to the Bluetooth settings screen on either your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. On your iPhone, you can do this by launching the Settings app on your device's home screen, tapping Bluetooth on the settings screen, and then making sure Bluetooth is turned on. Alternatively, on your Android device, navigate to your app screen, tap Settings, tap Bluetooth in the Wireless and Network section, and then make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Step 2. Press the power button to turn your UE Wonderboom 2 Bluetooth speaker on. You'll need to make sure your device is in pairing mode. Locate the Bluetooth button on top of your device. If this is the first time you've powered on your UE Wonderboom 2 speaker, the Bluetooth light will be blinking rapidly, indicating your device is in pairing mode. If you've already paired your Wonderboom 2 speaker with another device, the Bluetooth light will be solid and you'll need to put your speaker in pairing mode. You can put the Wonderboom 2 in pairing mode by holding down the Bluetooth button until it makes the following sound. If you don't hear the sound after a few seconds, press down harder on the Bluetooth button to make sure the button is fully pressed in. Step 3. With your Wonderboom 2 Bluetooth speaker in pairing mode, look at the list of available Bluetooth devices on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Tap Wonderboom 2 in the list of available devices. After a few seconds, the device will show as connected and will appear in the My Devices section on your iPhone or iPad and in the Paired Devices section on your Android device. Additionally, you'll hear the following tone on your Wonderboom 2 after your devices have been successfully paired. Audio played through your iPhone, iPad, or Android device will now be played through your Ultimate Ears Wonderboom 2 Bluetooth speaker. Are you a fan of the Wonderboom 2 Bluetooth speaker? Are there any other Bluetooth speakers you prefer? Let me know in the comments below, and click the video link on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to subscribe to this channel to see more great videos like this one.